Hello fellow plant enthusiasts, I'm Steven from Steve's Propagation Corner, and today we are back with another installment of the Foliage Files. Today, we're diving into the world of fast-growing indoor plants that not only grow quickly, but look absolutely stunning. I love pothos. If you're eager to transform your indoor space into a vibrant jungle oasis in like no time, these 10 plants are perfect for you. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started. First up, we have the Wandering Jew plant, also known as Stratoscantia sabrina. This plant is a favorite among indoor gardeners for its vibrant purple and silver striped leaves. It grows rapidly, and with its trailing vines, it's perfect for hanging baskets or as a cascading element on a shelf. Keep it in bright indirect light and water when the top inch of soil feels dry. You'll see new growth in no time. Next is the arrowhead plant, or Syngonium podophyllum. This plant's arrow-shaped leaves come in various shades of green, pink, and even white. It's a fast grower and can easily be trained to climb or allowed to trail. When given proper care, this plant can grow aggressively. If you want your arrowhead plant to look lush and healthy, you need to put it in a place that gets lots of bright but filtered light and maintain a high level of humidity around it. The soil should be moist but not soggy. With the right care, you'll soon have a lush, full plant. Meet the Chinese money plant, also known as Pilea peperomoides. The Chinese money plant is known by several charming nicknames, such as the pancake plant or the UFO plant, due to its cute, flat, round leaves. Whatever you choose to call it, this fast-growing indoor plant is perfect for lightening up any corner of your home with its vibrant presence. This plant is famous for its unique round leaves that resemble coins. It's a fast-growing plant that loves bright indirect light and well-draining soil. Water it when the soil is dry to the touch, and you'll be rewarded with plenty of new growth and even some baby plants or pups that you can propagate. The corn plant, or Dracæna fragrans, is another fast-growing indoor beauty. Its long, arching leaves and sturdy stem make it a striking addition to any room. Corn plants are quite adaptable and can tolerate lower light conditions, though they thrive in bright indirect light. Keep the soil slightly moist and you'll notice it growing taller and more robust. Boston ferns are classic indoor plants known for their lush feathery fronds. Boston ferns owe their elegance to their long, arching fronds adorned with small green leaves. With the right balance of light and moisture, these plants grow rapidly in the spring and summer. The fronds can reach up to 3 feet in length, and the sight of them gracefully cascading over the edges of their containers is truly heartwarming. These ferns grow quickly in the right conditions, which include high humidity and indirect light. They love consistently moist soil, so regular watering is key. With proper care, a Boston fern can grow into a magnificent full plant that adds a touch of elegance to any space. The radiator plant, or Peperomia obtusifolia, is a compact, fast-growing plant that's perfect for smaller spaces. Its thick, glossy leaves are not only attractive, but also low maintenance. This stunning little houseplant is super easy to grow, and its leathery, cup foliage is similar to the rubber plant, so it is sometimes referred to as the baby rubber plant. Mostly, this plant will have deep green leaves, but some cultivars can have cream or golden streaks on their foliage. This plant does well in medium to bright indirect light and prefers to dry out between waterings. It's a resilient plant that will quickly fill out its pot with new growth. Next, we have the peace lily, known for its striking white flowers and lush green leaves. This plant grows quickly and can tolerate lower light conditions, though it blooms best in bright indirect light. Also, perhaps no other houseplant declares as dramatically as the peace lily that it needs a drink. It will wilt and droop to let you know it's time to water it, and will perk up beautifully upon watering. Plus, it's an excellent air purifier. The umbrella plant, or Scheffleria arboricola, is a fast-growing plant with a unique umbrella-like arrangement of leaves. It can grow quite tall, making it a great choice for filling vertical spaces in your home. Umbrella plants prefer bright indirect light and should be watered when the top inch of soil is dry. With proper care, you'll see rapid growth and a full, bushy plant quickly develop. The Areca palm, also known as Dipsis lutescens, is a popular indoor palm that grows quickly and adds a tropical feel to any room. Its feathery fronds can reach impressive heights, creating a lush green statement. Areca palms thrive in bright indirect light and need regular watering to keep the soil consistently moist. A little morning sun is also good for the plant, but too much direct sunlight will burn its leaves. With the right care, this palm will grow quickly and beautifully. Last but not least, we have the English ivy, or Hedera helix. You've seen this gorgeous beauty trailing across lawns or climbing walls with abandon. The English ivy is notorious for the speed at which it spreads. This fast-growing vine is perfect for adding a touch of greenery to walls, shelves, or even hanging baskets. It thrives in bright indirect light, but can also tolerate lower light conditions. Keep the soil evenly moist and you'll soon have a trailing, verdant display that enhances any space. And there you have it, folks. 10 fast-growing plants that not only grow quickly, but look absolutely stunning in your home. Which one captured your attention the most, or do you have other recommendations that you'd like to share? Go ahead and let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons, do all that good stuff. You know what to do. And for those who want to go the extra mile in supporting our mission, you can consider becoming a Patreon or a channel member by clicking the join button under this video or one of the other links that are down there. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Remember, keep growing and keep thriving, keep thriving and keep growing. Do all that good stuff. You know what to do. Okay. I'm Steven from... Are you for real? Like, what? Look at this one. This one's really pretty. I just got this one. Who's doing that? Shut up. So pretty, my pretty. Jeez, I'm so fucking weird.